Tuan Evelyn Perfecto dengan preparation ito dengan ni. My tongue is very broken. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kidding. Tuan Evelyn Perfecto dengan preparation ito dengan ni. My tongue is very broken. Welcome back to Evelyn Park channel. Today I am going to surprise her. Tuan gift leiturin kakaldona, and let's see how she react because it would be a surprise. And yeah, I hope you guys gonna like it. This is not the one that she want, but I will surprise her with this, and we will see how she react because this is just around $3.99. Hello, I just got back from the store. As I mentioned it before, I asked them both of the gift that I purchased. This is the actual one. Let's do it, Team Roland. I will call her now and let her know that I will be there at her house within 10 minutes. Let's call Evelyn. Hello.
Hello.
Senator.
Untuk bang Mary, have you looked at the chinve ko? Car.
Oh, hatak. I have a surprise for you. What is that? I have a surprise for you. Nan intutun huminit pasra hang takrak pan la.
Liang makun chala.
Hello. Bakit liao dorkan kal nazok lian mi tito na thai ma.
What?
Okay, na thai tilo hala. Huh?
Bag?
Hello. Adang ha, adang. Ragra tu minit parha takrak phan la machun thai te kala. See you. Ragra ready zokha.
Okay.
Surprise ha chaka. Ka bye bye. Moto ko mong pe changla he. Okay. Chak chok put ve.
Okay.
Okay ka.
I told the pineapple, huh?
Okay, good. Okay, ka tha changla ha. Hello, Zenito.
What is the surprise? I'm so excited. What is the surprise?
Ma?
No.
Tada! Ti ham. Do teacher back ha?
Then what?
Back sok na sangai lo sa. Take us.
What?
Back ma na do? Oh, ton tin na chula cha ti tang kan chok piak cha back na kan tha deu mi ne du deu mi te.
What could it be?
What could it be? Don't you remember? I think 90. I think it was 3 or 4 days ago. We went to Iceland and I said, "Oh, Tatsung, I want this so much." And it was you tried it and then you want the smell so bad.
Tatsung! Tigtanga.
Oh, nazumlo ma.
Really?
Yeah, very.
I'm just saying, why you buy it? Like, where?
It's a early Christmas present for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Ngay ito. Ta-da!
Oh my god, is it that big?
Yeah. Kapag kita sa starting.
Wow. Thank you.
When dạo hay là? Dạo được lâu mà?
No, I'm not going to open it.
What do you mean?
Until Christmas.
I sign lâu chứ. Tu to on early Christmas you can open it anytime. It's a gift. it's a present, so
But let me take a photo first.
okay, go ahead. Mày đụ mà, vân dậu hết à?
What?
Achung umi,
Why?
because I wanted you to see. I want to see
So
your
pretty.
facial reaction because it's something that you really want. So I want to see it, you know. I want to see you open it in front of me and see your reaction. So yeah.
Really?
Mm.
I thought it was red.
Huh? Red. Yeah.
What?
Kadada! Ganda! Look at this circle. See? Nadutok dito. Fiori. Nadutok dito lama.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yan ay nampak lama. Yeah, apa lama?
No, this is not. Oh, you buy different one.
Different one ah.
Yeah, this is
Bakit liu kan
not
zau mi zhe
the one.
Fiori eti mi zau ha zau. Oh hi. Mate hin tak kecing kan hi. I remember you.
Vincent.
Yeah, Vinci.
Oh, it's okay. Oh yeah. Oh,
You
thank
like the
you.
smell?
Wow, it smells so. It
Really?
smells like Dior.
Dior?
Yeah.
I just have a look and I thought Fiori to wrote it tang
Oh. Yeah, maong ka ko. But I thought you buy me the Miu Miu. That
Miu
was
Miu ma?
very expensive.
Miu Miu chok la kati but mahakam hu tikchon aman phak deu tikchon
Oh.
ma tikchon Miu Miu cha na aman phak deu ka chok pek la at minum deu la kati chutang
Oh, to kay lom to ka.
tok tak ma na
Yeah.
tok tak ma Zeto kan da may lom. Well, you can have to rate. Let's rate your happiness. 10 out of what?
10 out of 10 or
10
10
out
out
of
of 11.
10 out of
Because it's a
11.
gift, you know. Song ta ami ti song ta. Angan pi song ta so lak song ta lo ma.
Okay.
Ko ang ti ma kan pelo.
Natin.
Kilom.
Natin.
Thank you so much.
Mahan halaw suan ati takapang tuktumo. Tikchun backup takin. Tildang pakate mi de umite zimhi halawin mo. Adang mi te ki abom mi de tekin.
Kudu ko to chong.
Te I have purchased another one and it's not a perfume.
It's not perfume?
Yeah, it's not. It's like
Because you already got one.
yeah. I got
need one.
yeah. So I have purchased another one
Yeah.
and
Wow, and designed and they do
ito tuktin. So okay.
beautiful.
Pakat daw sa kalaktal mo.
From Meyer?
No, Meyer has a avakat liwa. Meyer ang chok chen nakamoto chunga tuju ay umisa ha.
Okay.
Nothing. See what does it look like? You have to guess. Perfume sa hati baklaw mo. Like perfume.
I don't know. If it's not perfume, then I don't know.
Lady hika.
Because you can't buy two perfume at the same time, can you?
Why would I?
Yeah.
There is no point of doing that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But your facial reaction was like, you can.
No, I'm just saying like
That's
why
you
would you buy
can.
two perfume at the same time?
That's you can. That's how you look at me. Kidding.
No, I'm not.
All right. Okay. Let's see. This is the second time. I mean the second gift that we are going to unbox.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
slowly.
what is that?
Slowly.
I feel like it is something what I think it is.
What do you mean?
Oh my god, Mew Mew taste.
Meow. Let me have a look.
Oh my god, that's a
Wait,
loading.
let me have a look. Does it sound meow?
Yeah.
M-I-U
Yeah.
or N? The opposite of
It's Mew
J.
Mew.
Okay, whatever.
Wow. You really got me this? It was so expensive. Oh,
do you
in
mean?
fact, is that in the bag?
This one before that. This is just 40, I think $3.99 or something at Priceline.
Oh.
And yeah, it's very cheap. And this is, guess the price. I think, oh, you already know it. You don't have to.
Yeah.
You have checked it.
Oh my god. Remember we asked her and she said like
Yeah.
180 something.
185.
One
You the one who
Yeah.
unboxed.
Oh my god, that's oh.
Mm.
It is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh.
À, xuống con hụt trung lo.
Kỳ lợn nình. À, hả? Cute.
Oh, oh, if you break my chin, then how am I going to speak again?
Oh my god, that's kỳ lợn nình.
May lom tak tak ma.
Yeah.
At tutang rate this at the la.
Huh?
Your happiness.
$1,000?
Less rank. 10 out of 1,000 kung mo
Yeah.
nakasulok ka.
Oh my god, it's so. I just love it.
Do you?
I just love it. Thank you so much. Kay lom tuk tatong takti kay lom tuk kay lom tuk tak.
ma. Okay. Meow meow ititak natin. Twist.
Oh my
And
god, this is
100
very
mil.
expensive.
Do you feel any sense at the moment? Do you?
What do you mean?
Like,
What?
I record it.
You record it?
Yes. They will. Yeah, I record your facial reaction and everything. Look over there.
Hi guys.
And here.
I'm going to post it anyway.
Okay. I believe you can see her facial reaction, and at first I can see that she is happy, and on the other hand she feel, oh, this isn't the right one. That's why are you lying to me, or are you pranking me, or what are you thinking? And you know, it's quite expensive, as we already mentioned. It's 85. And
Hey Shem, perfume có mình tự dùng rất là tàu bè này ha. Môi đâu chẳng hiện tiêu hi pink color ang tiêu hiện oma. What should I give him? Oh, what do you want? What do you want?
What do I want? I want just a Ferrari.
Cái chú xem give cái này sắc lại lâu rồi.
Có thấy không?
Give cái chọc béo tục bao lâu tiền?
Nó chọc có. She did, but she did. She just like, you know, traidor. That's what we said in like.
I mean, I can't buy you something that is very expensive, you know. But you know that I love you. Oh.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.